how to cash out on KashKick. So here I'm on the official website. You can see your current balance in the top right. So make sure you have logged into your account, and if you have successfully logged in, you just want to click on the money in the top right. Here, like I said, it's going to show you your total balance, cash out, available balance, and if we click on it, we can read some more information. A $10 minimum balance is required, so if you want to cash out, you will need to have at least $10 or more, and only one cash out request may be in process at a time. So if you have money here, you can see all of your earnings, referrals, cash outs. Here, make sure you have completed your profile, so you will need to have verified your ID here. So verified your ID, email, so on and so forth. And if you have done all of that and confirmed your identity, you click on the money, then you click on the cash out available balance here. And if you click on cash out, it is just going to begin the process of transferring over your money from the website to your connected payment method. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.